So to boost your memory for the whole scenario, I have prepared this graph for you. So let's get into it. Well, our total duration of both the cycles is from 1 to 28 days. And if we talk about the uterine cycle, the 1 to 5 days is the duration of menstrual cycle, and from 7 to 14 days it's proliferative phase, and from 14 to 28 days it's secretory phase. And if we talk about the ovarian cycle, the follicular phase and luteal phase is going to be responsible in between ovulation, of course. So the basal body temperature between follicular phase is 36.4 degrees centigrade, but in the luteal phase it's slightly raised about 36.7 degrees centigrade. So, and after that we're going to talk about the hormonal regulation. So hormonal level little bit fluctuate in both of the phases, but if we talk about estrogen here, there are 2 times that it's going to reach its peak levels: in the start of the at the end of the follicular phase and at the start of the luteal phase. So if we talk about progesterone, it's going to increase only 1 time. And if we talk about the FSH and LH, they're both going to increase inside the follicular phase ending. So if we talk about the ovarian cycle, there's obviously the production of ovum, and after that formation of ovulation and the formation of corpus luteum. So in the uterine cycle, there are 3 stages. That is going to be menstrual stage, proliferative stage, and secretory stage. So if we summarize all of things all together, so all the changes are going to occur simultaneously. It's not like that first ovarian cycle is going to commence or the uterine cycle is going to commence. Both of them are going simultaneously. So you guys might confuse it with each other. That's why I have made separate bites of both of them so that you can understand it more quickly. So that was all for the female reproductive system physiology, and it was a long journey, I know guys, but I hope you got maximum gist of it. For more informative lectures like these, keep watching sqadia.com.